Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a simple PHP program to count the number of words in a given string or sentence in PHP. Before we start guys, if you like this video tutorial, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I'm already here in my text editor. Most often right now I'm using Visual Studio Code as my text editor, but you can use any text editor if you want except Microsoft Word. So here we can start with a tag less than question mark PHP, and then we can have here a string $str, a string, the word string. Next example, we have here let's say for example Bacolod City is a city of smile. Okay, so this is our string, or a sentence. Bacolod City, where I live right now, is a city of smile. So what we will do is, in PHP there is a function that is called str underscore word underscore count, that will count the number of words in a given string. So here we can clearly see that how many words in the given string. Let us count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so what we will do is very simple. Echo, let's say for example header 1, close, double quotation, semicolon, echo. We will call a function str word count dollar string followed with a semicolon, and then we will copy on the top this one and then paste, and then we have here slash. Now here what we can do is to display the string again, no? So echo the given string period dot dollar string semicolon. We can have copy this one, and then we replace, no, the header 1 in HTML to be our new line. We copy, paste, let's say the word here, the number of words is, okay, so you can remove this one. We have put a semicolon, we replace with instead of is the word the symbol colon. We align here. Okay, now we close our code, question mark greater than, Control S to save our work, and then here in our local drive we can go to our SAM folder, htdocs, right click, select new folder, let's say for example count. We should double click this folder and then select here save as. Let's say for example, let's say we choose PHP, and then we will type index.php. Take note with the extension of PHP. The file name is index. Click the save. Okay, so we have already saved. So what we have done, I declare a string. Bacolod City is a city of smile, and then we will display the string here, and then we will count the number of words in a given string using this function that is built in PHP programming language, str underscore word underscore count. Okay, in our browser we will open Mozilla Firefox. Let us wait. Okay. Okay, so here we simply type localhost. It refers to our computer, in this case my laptop, and then count, and then slash index.php. Press the enter key. Okay, so we have here the result already. So one given string Bacolod City is a city of smile. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The number of words is 7. We can clearly see, guys, that PHP is one of the most versatile and easy to use programming language, not only in web development but also in other tasks that involves string manipulations. It has so many built-in functions that making the coding and programming shorter. We can more focusing on solving the problem rather than to write codes to perform counting of string, for example, in this case. So we have already done, guys, writing a program that will count the number of words in a given string using PHP. Thank you very much for watching. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.